What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana to SUI in Phantom Wallet. So in this case, you might be wondering here, how to exactly swap that? Now, the thing with Phantom Wallet here, they do provide some updates and they are consistently upgrading the platform itself. Now, how do we set this up? So by default, when you try accessing here or accessing the swap option, you won't see the SUI network here. So what you need to do is you first need to turn that on. So at the top left of your screen, go and click on your profile icon. Click on the gear icon you see at the top right here, and you want to go ahead and click on active networks. Now in here you should see SUI. So like what I said before, SUI is not yet fully released. It's still in the beta stage. So what you can do is you just need to turn that on, and from here you can go ahead and go back and basically just access the swap function or feature here. Now from here you want to go to you receive section, click on the drop down icon next to the crypto itself, and from here you should see the SUI network. Now as of this moment, the SUI network is not yet fully usable, but the network, again, it's still there. So if you do see the option to swap to SUI here, this is where you can select SUI if it's available and basically just proceed with the swap. But if you don't see it yet, well, in this case you need to use a bridge in order for you to basically make the transfer or the transaction itself. So what we need to do is you want to go to the explore icon you see at the bottom right here, or the compass icon. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go to sites, tokens, URL at the very top here, and what you need to do is you just need to type in portal. Just search for it. Now you should be able to see a bunch of things, but let's go and go back one page here. You should see the portal bridge. Go ahead and click on it. And once in here, you could go and specify the details. So for example, since we want to swap from SUI, from Solana to SUI, just go and choose select chain and token. You could go ahead and choose the Solana network. Choose Solana. From here, do to section, choose SUI. Let's go and choose SUI. Once you've done that, go and just indicate the amount. Just click on connect here to connect your account. So again, you need to connect your Phantom Wallet in order for you to proceed with this one. But yeah, just go and just click on Phantom Wallet here, proceed with the login, and basically approve a few things in order for you to make the swap. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.